issue within the next few days after the Independence Day. So exact date has to be finalized, but we will be meeting in Guwahati, and we will be forming the regional committees, and we will take the process forward for the second phase of the areas of differences. And as I said, that it's not a simple process. Things are much more complicated, and even Karbi Anglong District Council is involved, and hence we have to involve everybody in the discussion. And like we have done for the first phase, similarly in the second phase also, we will involve stakeholders, traditional heads, different councils, and more importantly, the public in general, to be able to figure out how we could reach to the best possible solution by carrying everybody along with us. The members had mentioned about development schemes and different issues. I informed to them that development is something that we should all welcome, and that based on the implementation of development schemes or central schemes, it does not determine which state it falls under. So whichever state may implement, development is important, but at the end of the day, that is not going to be a criteria for determining which area or which state that particular area falls under. So all these matters were discussed, and I'm sure that they have understood all the details, and of course you can hear from them also. And let me assure them and the entire state that this government is committed. As we have moved forward in the 6 areas in the first phase, we are committed to move forward in the next 6 areas also in the second phase. Thank you very much. And they've submitted a memorandum where they have mentioned 18 villages that are there, which should be within Meghalaya. And they expressed their concerns about the last 50 years on how they have faced large number of challenges and difficulties because of the border dispute that's there in that area. After listening to their concerns, I have informed them that this government is very committed to resolving the border dispute, and that is the reason why we have moved forward in 6 of the areas, and we have signed the MOU after detailed consultation with the people, and the people's will has led to the resolution of the first 6 locations. And we are confident that we will be able to find a solution to the rest of the 6 locations also. But it's a process. It's something that we cannot say will happen today or tomorrow, but it will take time, and we have to move forward, and we have to allow the process to continue, and we have to consult and engage with all the stakeholders that are involved. And hence I informed them that in this visit of mine, when I had gone for the Niti Aayog meeting, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself, we had a detailed meeting for a long time, and we have decided that we will be having
em nak kalian sui ki nga ngayon sang ni ko president chukong ba snong chukong ni ko bordar area ngi daka ching sung kuman ni wan hako chukong ka cheka ban we kendu ya u chief minister chukong chalami kalian kini sni ke de ching khot ni yang ni kom ka chuk ka bangi yo ban ya kailan ban ya discourse na kata kandiga pistu ko badai ban penbait no yu put sang dan kalian sini yuan hakan ke por ban ya keren ban yusuntu cimut bat ini bakini ki khat pratali ki snong ki bahap hapo ka blok 2 ko ni chu ti por kata ni la wan ban penbor ban kepat isi star ba in shim ban ya keren begini khat pratali ki snong kim dei ban hap supo kecelasan. Jadi kata ka poin ke ban kong ka ban keren jaga barang ile keren na ka ban ta ka roi ka par scheme ke development dei I shim star ila keren shai bana ka ban ta ki development baro na du kan ka por ka ban ta na mai khalia ro ki di ban ya chacha I gabor pulis asam ki dei ban penuit ban petut na ka ban ta ki scheme ki ba ne dei ban kita ki snong ki ba ha po ka di state ni ki khat pratali snong te kaci keren cumi kita kaci keren tenang nak bentar cumi kapor tengin am nama kaci pular pat coki kalong ba shen no mentangin si penbet no bangin ya penbet no ini put sam hati ni di lihat sini di mentang tengin am setengah kata kapor yang iba ni kermen ru ba kene kaci keren kaci kene kapor kin om kan om long kaci keren ka ba leno kalong kaci keren ka ba la panuan rapat ya kaci cok nak bentar cumi senang sebagai cungat haki power barok haki cing berdet cing slide haki cing syai noben haki niki sorkar haki cing tematang ni keren dekat basyai tung le don lah tinggal ayok mani slok iki cing gambar min pet pat se ko bana kelem sungi ngila kerpat ru bakat bom perlah man pun pet sam ni ong ba suha ban ai no ya ka full game setai support berlari dari isi start lah cuba bayam mentah nama apa ingin om ya penbun kam su ingin om ya keren su ya kita ki baro ingin ya sim no baik kampan penbaik no putusan ingin lay putusan nama ba kita ki kat ratali ki snong kasi kita ki snong ki badan hapo ka raj nong tum ngan su batai pi kumne nama ki spak slam ki ba man shwa ki kadeka snong ka subuh ka snong umat ka dai hak chat du su kata ka khat hak snong te kadai pat ka nong ba jong ka rai nong tung thi hapo ka rai nong tung ka don live hu sautli ki snong te live hu sautli ki snong ngi don hang dei ya u lim su ka rai nong tung ki don live hu sautli ki snong hapo ka rai nong tung te ya kita ki khat pratli ki snong pa la shat khat sha kni no syaka sorkar asampi te hado mentah ko mengiti ba kene kapor ko mentah le tiki lakot ingi kum kita ki bahak ko tu kecing syaka ni ki khat pratli kim ha ko to ko tu tingi ngi wan ban keren mentah kalong ba kecing kwa cui kalong ba kini ki khat pratli ki snong ni kam be jaka ba kadega ki snong ki bahak ko raj nong tung hapo ka hima chung sim khairim bat hapo ka celam kalian te tang kata kecing kwa cungi namar ba habang ni pai la dekin penhap ingi si asam ngin tip senam namar ngi deki ke culture ngi don sekasi ke ketin ketli ngim nang bagi keren bagi debat ki kam ki cinge dei bagi ngim don ki cinge dei teka bu i ki cinge ki pai ba ngi susna tingwan halor kata kanu namar ngi deki kasi ngi dei ka dok senam kasi ti kwa he ba ki cekakan wan seto jalan